mar jokanyo mawuok e sekta mar wuoth ma pinyno timo limbe pachoka ne sumo paro kod duol mochung'ne apeyni e pachoka e wi loso nderni. Tim makamano manotelne kod Frank Kehonza, meneja mapango chenro mag loso nderni mag Rwanda, olimo lalo majuja kod Athi River marango kaka nolos olalogo mondo giter paro makamano e pinygi. Kehonza wacho ni tok timo nonro e pinygi gi yango kuonde aboro kama biro gere olalo mapimo pek kata yot mag nyamburko kari osechak ger kendo biro chako tiyo higa manyien.
Through the RMLF, the Road Maintenance Levy Fund, Kenya receives about 22 billion to do the maintenance of the roads, and that's also the money which also comes in to do the way bridge management. It costs the country about 3 billion Kenya shillings to manage on an annual basis only the Kenya network. But you see now, we also transcend to other public roads. That means a lot more resources is needed to do way bridge management to curb the incident of overloading on other networks. So it's actually a huge price for the country to pay if the overloading issue is not addressed. And we are appealing to each and every Kenyan to take patriotic steps to help in overloading so that we save our roads for our own good.
We have a very strong code of conduct for our members. If our member is found to be harassing the weighbridge staff or any official, not only the weighbridge staff, any government official, we have a reporting mechanism where we get to, I think punishment would be the best word, we have very punitive measures that we take against our members, including banning them from our association, because it doesn't augur well for our image.
What I can say is that there are things that cannot be learned on internet or in books. So there are things that need physical presence. There are things that need to be seen, So this is what we did. We conduct a number of visits to different way bridges, being static, way in motions, and actually we learn a lot. So now the ball is on our side. We have this assignment of implementing